Alright guys, now we have the Lasfit LED bulbs in. For the 2018 Toyota CHR. Alright guys, good morning. Here we have the 2018 Toyota CHR. And I'm just showing you guys the low beams, the low and high beams, and the fog lights of the car. These are the original lights that were installed from Toyota itself. And this is the high beams. I mean, the low beams and high beams are one bulb. See right there. Those are the high and low beams. That's the daytime light. When you put on the high beams, the fog lights turn off automatically. And on this side, this is the normal low beams and fog lights. These are the original lights that came with Toyota, the original light bulbs. And this is how the high beams look like. The original high beams that came with the car. Alright guys, we're gonna install the Lasfit LED lights for the high and low beam for the 2018 Toyota CHR. Those are the original bulbs.
Let's go. Show it what we were
Yeah.
here for. Turn that. Okay. Alright, look like we are in business.
Okay, let's try it. I think you're supposed to remove the white part.
Alright, turn that.
It's working?
Yeah.
Alright, these are with the LED Lasfit. Right guys, we're about to install the fog lights on the 2018 CHR. Lasfit fog lights. Got it out?
Awesome.
Just gonna install the Lasfit fog light bulb.
Awesome.
Got it?
Yeah, that's it. Turn the other one.
Okay. This is the original bulb that came with Toyota for the fog light. That one's the LED Lasfit. Look at the difference. Alright guys, so this is how the 2018 Toyota CHR looks with Lasfit headlights and fog lights installed. Alright guys, this is how the fog lights and headlights of Lasfit look on the 2018 Toyota CHR.